Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to explain you how to prepare the samosas. For the samosas I took 2 cup of flour, white flour, and little bit of, according to your taste, salt and some grilled jeera, and then some ghee also in it according to your taste. And then we have to, with the warm water, we have to make the dough. Okay, we make the dough, then I let you know. If you can put the dry flour also to make it hard dough. Okay, I prepare the dough and then I let you know. So we prepared the dough like this. Now we keep it aside, and then we do our filling. We crush the potatoes, 2 potatoes we crush it, and then in this masala we put some dry coriander, some red chili, some chaat masala, some jeera and salt. This mixture we have to put it in this, and then we have to put some coriander, little onion, very little onion, and then we have to put olive oil in it. Okay, then we mix it. This is the filling which we have to put in the samosa. We mix it, then I will tell you. So our mixture is ready. We keep it aside, then we prepare a roti. You see, we prepared the roti, then we cut it into half. Then one half we put it aside and one half we will use it. I kept it in one half. Then we make a shape, you know, like this, and then put water in it, and then we put it like this, and then we have to turn it. This will be just like a cone. Okay, you see. Now with this, in this we have to fill the potatoes, then we have to press it. I tell you how. Okay, what I did, I put the potatoes in that inside with that, and then we have to press it with this side. We have to press it. Okay, so our samosa like this is ready. Now we have to fry it. You see, the samosa is like this. This is our, if you want the more side in that, then you can put the less potato. If you want less side in that, you can put more potatoes. Less potatoes. If you want more side, then less potatoes here, and if you want less side here, then more potatoes here. Okay, we will fry it now. You see, the samosa is frying. You can lower the flame. Okay, and then we have to turn it. Okay, like this we can prepare 2, 3, 4 like this. Let it move a bit. Our samosa is almost fried. Then we will dish out it. Okay. We will dish out it. Okay. And if you like, then subscribe. Thank you.